The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it. And you know, this video me I do right about now is about you know, somewhat of a thing that's going on between Popcaan and the producer known as Notnice, you see me? And I'm talking about Popcaan, the artist, or you can say Jamaican musician, you see me? And I'm talking about Notnice, the producer, alright? So right about now, we have a video that is going to show of the person that is known as Notnice, and he went and said some things about, you know, the whole thing that is going on between Popcaan and the person that is known as Notnice, which is the person that I'm going to show you in the video right about now, alright? So here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
More on my side of the story, see? And then after that, I make whatever judgment I don't care. You see me? Fear is fear. Yo, tell me if you tap your eyes out, isn't it, man? You see me? So, watch out. Mr. Popcaan forward on live this morning and he might chat something and yeah, my forward pan live yesterday and say my pussy. And he might have a problem with that. I did pan live last week when me and Frasta clash and him forward pan live and say, yo, suck cocky jabby and shit. You see me? For no reason. I don't know. You see me? So, that's one thing. He must say me a pray him through England and money and Jaffras and yeah, me a clear up all of that phone, I don't have to worry. You see? And who Kartel this and Kartel that, I don't know how Kartel reaching at this. You see me? I mean, if I want to use Kartel to maybe get some Gaza fans for a cheer for you. So maybe him not go forward out on the internet and this Kartel or Gaza people, because I know he fans them, but we don't have to tell her when you say half the year. I'll load that for next time. You see me, boy? Where a man I go say, yo, me a pray him, should go England and not get no money. How much I know on your toes now, I don't. I'm want to tell me if I fuck with me at that. Zine? We go England for 1 month, go do a tour. So they are England for 1 month. Popcaan have film show, input on the show. You see me? And for a month, Popcaan book a 2-bedroom Airbnb and a 4 away. See? So I'm tell me, 4 man, I book 2 room. You see me? I don't sleep with man in the yard. So I don't go far and go do it. You see me? So him hold 1 room, and cuz hold 1 room. And me and Killy did that one of the next dopes. And it's a cheer there, so we have to just go around and have a cheer. See? I say, yo, I don't like how this look, you know, but we are going to hold the thing, we're not going to complain. We are forward from hard life, we used to sleep on the floor, so if you sleep in a chair, it's like an upgrade. You see me? So me and Killy, it's like a trip we are taking. If me sleep at night time in a chair, Killy sleep at daytime. You see me, if me sleep in a day, at night him will have a chair, because I saw it have to go. See? If me got a show, and me tell a girl, see, when I got to bring a girl come see me a kick it in a chair with big old Popcaan. But man still work with the thing. 1 month in England, no money. With the three solo show, Popcaan show them Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. See? With the 3 show, the 3 of them sold out. And a year show. And we do that, and then we do 1 show of Greece, and then we do a next show of Sweden. And then me if do 1 month a foreign and then me if you fall back on my yard without $1. No period, no. I me take care of myself. You see me? Anything I want, I me buy it. You see me? He never give me $1. So me can fall on my yard and flap. So me do. I got a machine and still draw some money. That's when I reach a yard, I can have some pound. Couple of my friends them beg me, I go and give them a thing. Because England me a forward from. You see me? So, still can't make it thing look too lame. So me for the yard now, I see a week pass, 2-3 weeks pass, and me if you just you call me for link up and me if you can link up and do a voice song, come chill, when me do 1 month of foreign without $1, brother. From this I start all my own in a call me say yo, if 3 shows sold out and we do 2 other shows where after some promoter, what you tell me say? What you tell me say? You don't have no money? So if you do 1 month, I spend my money if you come play tracks for you every night and I like my forward come chill and me I play tracks them for you every night and everyone I show them. You see me? The only show me never even play upon our show with Gorillas. You know, so Gorillas them have them band. So that was a 6th show. So me even count that tonight. You see me? So that's one thing, brother. And forward me not dealing with it, brother. So from this I start all my own, you see me? And with Jaffras now, yeah, him bring, people say, when was this? Maybe about 2 years ago, I tell you. So, me not gonna do 1 month of foreign like a charity work me I do. And I like some promotional show we gonna do when me know say you never get no money. Me don't know if a next man run him alright if he not get no money, but me a big man, me not deal with that. So when you can go ask him, me not make up no storytelling, you see? 1 month without $1. Him start bring Jaffras on some show. Remember, you know, Jaffras signed to Notnice Respond. Him bring Jaffras on show, him bring Quad on show. Getting them out there. Yeah, we not gonna say no, he never do that. He do that. He never consult me if he bring Jaffras on show. Jaffras have show and Popcaan put him on show overseas and we have to give back people their money because Popcaan bring Jaffras on show. Alright? One day at England, Popcaan tell me say yo he now feel Jaffras energy. You see me? So Jaffras a pussy and no, he never say Jaffras a pussy. Me don't tell no lie on him. He say yo, Jaffras not real. As Jaffras get 1 song, Jaffras I go cut. You see me? Say Jaffras I go sell me out. You see me? So me for watch Jaffras and you know trust him. Alright then. When I reach a yard, the same Jaffras when him tell me say yo for watch Jaffras because Jaffras I sell him out. Sell me out. He might give Jaffras contract to sign to Unruly. So Jaffras said, brother, how me fi sign to Unruly and you know say me done sign to Notnice Records already. He must say, yo, in a business board that and me and Jaffras have to work out that and if Jaffras not signed to Unruly, him not bring him on no more show. You see me? So, I want to tell me who fuck up this. I'm going to say, alright, if my artist not signed. My mind from Unruly Clash done, you know. You know, Quada the there and Animosity. And I tell him, say, yo, I sign Quada. Because Quada a better artist. So, here we are going to do. Me I go sign the artist. Then me I sign Quada, me I sign Jaffras. I sign Jaffras already, but me willing to give you a share of Jaffras career. And I say to Jaffras, alright with it. And him say, yeah man, alright in that. And then he told me I go sign Quada. He may not go sign Quada himself. Then I try give Jaffras contract. You see a man will tell me say, yo, I go sell me out, I try give him contract for sign to Unruly. See? What Jaffras do, Jaffras don't sign. And that's where the problem start from. So he might go vex with Jaffras now, true Jaffras never signed to him. And from that, him start bring Jaffras on show and start give dog no strength. Alright then. We not gonna beat him, man. He man can look like, yeah man, him bring you them on show and him try to help you with them, but none of them man they not talk. Cause see him Quadda, him say, yeah, Quadda loyal and real. I mean, he said one Quadda come ball to and complain, say, yo, Popcaan help him, a reflex video do from when I'm Popcaan and drop him video. That a oh, Celebration Vice. When Celebration Vice Popcaan gone for him. See him? And Quadda come to me, a ball say, yo, forgive me one song. Alright, then everything good, Quadda. I saw Celebration Vice. And when Popcaan hear the song, Popcaan say he can't put out. See him? Because really and truly, Quadda sing Celebration by himself. And I say, Quadda, I don't like the chorus one. The chorus one lift. I suck on me make. Javinci sing the chorus. See him? So when Popcaan say his song can't put out, Quadda can tell me, say, dog, say his song can't put out. And I say, Quadda, really, you may do this fine. So if you're a boss, I can tell you, say his song can't put out. Me just have to allow it. I say, yo, please, you need the strength. Me I say, everything good. Once I go drop his song, once his song drop, and I like him can take up back his song. And all if I work out, he just work out. So me don't want a man to come talk, say, yo, me this and that and who are praying for money. Who dep on here I go do 1 month of foreign and come back without $1. Who tell me that. And tell me who a pussy. See? And then you know one can give Jaffras contract for sign to and rule, you know, say Jaffras already signed. It's like what you want, like a man want everything for himself, then like, yeah. You have to sign everybody and still sign you with them and not do nothing for them. Because when I really met, I don't know if Popcaan ever forward and tell none of them how we know Vybz Kartel. See? And me bring Popcaan to Kartel. He never said that. He must say, yo, he me Kartel and my scheme, man. No, brother. Your Vybz Pan girl farm with him from when? A Popcaan first Vybz Pan girl farm with him. I'm going to edit the story how you want to edit it. And talk what you want to talk. You see me? So if you just come talk the truth and tell the people how you think and stop making it look like, yeah, people are bad mind. A bad mind for what? You know if I'm none of we don't have nothing. You know if I'm none of we don't have nothing, brother. I can't go ask court, I don't go to court and say court the artist are bad. I could link Kartel and tell Kartel to sign him. No interest never there, but I may advise him same way. But still now go forward and talk, say this. But when you want to make it look like, say, yo, people bad mind you. Jaffras Vice, if they know, Zine, Pan done well with him. And Popcaan tell him, say, song a fucker that can't go pan with him. You see me? That time, Jaffras alone there on the song and Popcaan tell him, say, yo, that song they a fucker. You don't want that pan rhythm. See? Say no want that pan rhythm. Alright. I build over rhythm and put out the song. You see his song work. You see him song where he must say a fucker. See? The last song where Jaffras put out. When him well precise. That song the Vice. Pan Popcaan rhythm. Popcaan drop the rhythm and don't put out Jaffras song. See? And when me go stand and below over him put out the song, him go say him Jaffras attack. Brother Jaffras voice the song pan hear him 4 months ago. See? So me don't want a man to come talk like, yeah, you might have more fans and people more listen to you and shut off their mouth. But anybody with sense, that's what I must say. If you pray all like people them way forward around. Remember him and move out that war. Who did I help with the war? Jaffras are singing much song, we go party, war, broke, all of that. I'm on a business. I'm on a business about that. I'm on just a do film thing, no matter how you try to help up a man thing, I'm on a business. I want nah mates that one. See Ching there. Who you can agree for long? Who there? Where Ching there? Popcaan a pussy, me I say that again. Me I tell you no. People are buy here family business and family feud and I'm not gonna make no family stop my food, you know. Make sure I tell you that. So me I look out for mine and I try secure mine, you know. A man could have named Jesus Christ. You see me? I tell you that. So on the point I chat. Popcaan and people run back and I'm not gonna do that. So everything in my chat, my chat said Ja Vinci do what Ja Vinci ever do. He must say he writes song for Ja Vinci. So what, that is a problem? But I'm not chatting point with no people, you know. Because yeah, man, I got talk anything you want to talk. When you just tell me and Popcaan up for a long time, for years. For years. So all I think what him afford and say, thing happen from say here from Gaza days and how him come vice this and say him vexed with me from I left Gaza. Yeah, vexed with me for that. He might tell me say him vexed with me if he bust alkaline. Well, if he vexed with me for that, brother, me bust alkaline to get you out. Not now go on for me come vice and build up back my thing, brother. No time. When not now go on for you. When you link me for vice, you say your vice and give me big song. So who believe him? Who believe him? See you come vice, it's too bad. When not now go on for me. Brother, alkaline been hot, career hot from before that, from things me love. So how you know if you come bust me back? I'm now gonna talk and think how much song you give me. Yeah, I'm like a acapella them put out. Like them put out for rhythm. But nobody can stay around you. Your crutches. Your crutches, me I tell you that. So me now go there and sit down and make a man talk. I mean, I go forward, upon your back and forth to the way I'm to find the voice note, them quarter forward to me and I beg me if you get him out of contract, you know? Where am I to put them there on the internet? If you take a contract with him, where you get Jaffras put on the internet? Me not in them thing there, brother. Me not in them thing there. Me not in that. Me not in that, brother. As you know, yeah, other people involved, but me not gonna make a man forward for your contract. Fuck you. I mean, sit down and not say nothing. Me not grow so. Me not care much mile a man used to walk. I tell you that. There are some people live next door to school and suffer more than you, so they need to come talk about that and cartel this and cartel that. Me never hide nothing when me talk about cartel. When cartel send the money and come empty me yard, what me do? Me hide and talk. When you hide and talk, all manner of things about cartel, brother. What you gonna do? Go say, yo, you this and you this and that. The man just want to push you one thing to your media, like, yeah, man, you never do nothing yet. No matter what you instigate and what you do and go around and pick and fuck around people and go on like you don't do nothing. People, and I'm telling you, what you do and who you to believe, but me just still, they have to come talk, but me have to talk and give you my side of the story. You see me? See what I say. Yeah, informer. I want to say, come on. Popcaan no want nobody have nothing. We ain't telling you that. No want no man have nothing. Him a go say him bring me a foreigner and not give me no money. So blood clot, me fi alright with that? Me fi alright with that? Bumbo wall. We should not need a alright with bumbo clot that. Yo. You know. I don't see nothing to it, you know. The man there, nobody can prosper him. Who around him, Link can stay around him? Nobody. Nobody. Man, you fall down for bridge people current. You fall down and then he might go on like him and a people that try bridge for your blood clot current. People. And I sing all the nicest thing in a song, man. Family and anything that they did people like a bumbo wall. And then I make it look like a people like blood clot provoke you. When I him provoke people. Yo. Popcaan a clown. I tell you hard, I have to tell you nothing. Because you have somebody phone and watch a clown pussy. I learn that the blood clot. The man want to have everything for himself. You want to sign Jeffress, you want to sign Quali, you want to sign me. You look out for you all of them around, because all on our crutches. I tell you that. There's some money change people, but you see it for myself. I know that. Brother, stop them about family. I'm sure no fan have some family with a big pussy. I don't prefer no fan, no friend anymore, no family. And no for my family and sell me out, so this is not new. I tell you that. Or you come vice me when nobody now vice me. Nobody now vice me. When you fall around me, I try and carry a hat. I have vex. I say, now ever forgive me for both alcohol and forget your heart. Every man glory than glory, brother. Even though me and him and a friend what, he still I help himself and I help enough youth. I make enough youth, I help more youth. You go ball about who you can't get a friend and who your blood clot help. Me not flying for foreign. So who want fly get a friend and come back and then yard hungry and alright with that? Me not alright with that. So if bringing one youth for one plane and I help, if you know all I know they on your alright with them plane ride, you know go on plane and go on a foreign. Me not go blood clog a foreign and come back on my yard hungry. Brother stay on my yard. You know flying for blood clog plane. You try to help this year, you can't just respond to show yeah, because you take time to try to roll him in to give him contract. So who want to know why problem and this and how this can who bad mind or who sell out who? Let's see. Let's say if me now go along this thing here. But if I this reach, we start sending out the voice note them. So who they are a threat. All on we can chat. You can chat around me because I say you're not going to hear back. Every voice note you send me, we send them on the internet.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows off the person that is known as Notnice, went and said some things in a video that is out on social media. Is what I'm saying to you. Some of the things that Notnice had said seems to clear a certain part of the whole issue. You understand me? And might have given a certain understanding as to, what's going on between Popcaan and Notnice. You understand me? Now, the first time you hear about this whole dispute or disagreement or argument thing that's going on between Popcaan and Notnice, I said to myself, I saw misunderstanding, this soon over with and so forth. But, me get to understand so that this whole thing is keep on being talked about on social media, and it seems as if it's just growing a little more, or it take time I explode or something to me see. That's what I said to you. And you know, to the amount of things that me hear about this whole thing between Popcaan and Notnice, me I said to myself, say, no man, something directly are going between these two persons. You see me? You see me? Because me all hear some artist name I call, no? Persons name I call that are said to be artists, no viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say, even Alkaline name me here call a while ago in the video that I just presented to you. You see me? I said to you? You see when it comes on to this thing what they call name disrespect or feud or, you know, disagreement between entertainers out there, you see me, or you can say celebrities out there, you see me, I say, even with sometimes with persons out there, you know, this whole disagreement sometimes, whenever I touch on social media, it just seems to explode. You see me, I said to you, for some reason, things like these explode on social media. You see me, I say, I understand that because, you know, persons want to know what go on and what cause this and them thing. You see me, I say, you know, but a lot of comments that come out on social media about this whole issue, you see me, you know, some persons that say, yo, that one they wrong, or this one wrong, and you know, comments come out with some good and some bad. You understand me? But however, me Dancehall, my whole opinion towards something like this is that I wish that everything work out well for each and every one. That's all me I say. You see me I say? Yeah, I really mean it, you know. I'm not joking. Alright, so I have some left with no viewers and subscribers. You know, me don't go up say, you know, this video when we present to you, my viewers and subscribers, might give you an understanding as to what's going on between Popcaan and Notnice. You see me? This whole thing between Popcaan and Notnice, you know, it's out on social media. Comments have been made about the whole thing that's going on between Popcaan and Notnice. You see me? And you know, me Dancehall, me ongo bring this video to you so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can hear what Notnice have to say about, you know, what Popcaan had said, and you know, to give you a better understanding as what's going on. So that's saying to you, yeah. Alright, so let me know what you think about this whole thing between Popcaan and Notnice, and right here so I'm gonna leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?